Oh, man. Feels good to be back. All right, everyone. So yeah, we are finally back in Washington. If you guys did not know, I took quite a long break from YouTube. I mean, I made a couple of videos, you know, in the past, like how long was I gone? Like 7 months, something like that. I tried to get a little bit of content out and whatnot, but basically, if you guys had no idea and you guys are just now coming back to the channel, I don't blame you, by the way, totally fine. But I had to go ahead and go over to Maryland for some military training that was required of me for my military career. And so I was gone for a, well, 6-month long training, but all in total, I was gone for about 7 months. And for those of you that were wondering, I did graduate from my technical training and I got myself a little certificate right here that shows that I did graduate my training, and I passed everything, and I actually graduated with honors. So, you know, not a big deal. But they also gave me this too, which is pretty cool. I actually ended up winning the Outstanding Storyteller Award for my class, which that was pretty cool. Was not expecting that. That was a whole big surprise to me, but and I got back just about a week ago. And in the meantime, I've been trying to, you know, get some stuff done here at home, take care of my wife and my daughter that's coming, and then put this office together that you guys see. So yes, elephant in the room. We're in a completely new office, new studio space, YouTube creators, whatever you want to call it. It's completely new, revamped, different room in my house. And as you can probably hear, it's not sound dampened yet. I gotta still do that. I got a bunch of stuff I still have to work out with the studio space here, but it's at a point right now where I can start making videos, and I just wanted to make this quick, you know, update video for you guys and let you guys know what's going on so far. So now that I'm home, what does that mean for the channel? Well, guys, this basically means that I'm gonna do my best to get back to my normal schedule, what I was doing before I left. You know, I don't know if I'll be that, you know, frequent of posting at the moment, since of course I may have a new child coming very, very soon. So I'm gonna try my best to get as much content out to you guys as I possibly can, because I love doing this, and I really enjoy seeing, you know, your guys' comments and your feedback, and all you guys enjoying my videos and whatnot. So I got a lot of stuff I got to do, and in this video I'm actually going to show you guys a ton of things that I have upcoming that we're going to be working on the channel. But one thing I wanted to do before we get into all that, I got a lot of really cool gear to show you guys real quick. I did want to shout out one of my sponsors and pay some bills real quick, because they actually supported me through the entire time I was gone. I got to shout out URCD Key, who is actually now called VIP URCD Key. I got to let them, you know that I really appreciate their support and whatnot. And right now they're actually doing a really awesome sale for you guys. My RAV20 code will actually get you 30% off. And then they're also doing, through the month of November, they're doing this really awesome sale on a lot of their software keys. So go ahead and check them out real quick for all your software key needs. Okay, so I know you guys are just like, out with it. Let me know what all this cool stuff is that you got just hiding away in this office. I got a lot of it sitting right in front of me too. But first thing I want to point out that I got is this chair that I'm sitting in right here. So let me get up really quick and show you guys. This is actually the Secret Lab Titan 2022 version. This is brand new. I bought it while I was gone because it released, and this is their new soft weave. I think they got the black edition one, but this thing's super advanced. Got a lot of really cool stuff. The freaking headrest is it's magnetic. You literally just pull it off and stick it back on. That's pretty awesome, and this thing is so comfy, man. Easily one of the comfiest and best chairs I've ever sat in, and I'll have a full review on this coming very soon. I basically just built it and did the entire thing last night, so that'll be coming at you guys as soon as I can. Another company I did want to mention to you guys, while I was gone, they actually sent me one of these like swag boxes, I guess you would call it. I think if you guys saw some of my posts, some of you may have seen this. The Kingston Fury is what they're called now. They actually sent me their little swag box that I think a lot of YouTubers got. They gave me like a hoodie, a hat, like all sorts of stickers and stuff like that. But they actually just recently reached out to me with some hardware that they just came out with, and I want to show you guys this little box they sent me. Let me grab this really quick. They sent me this little box, and I already like opened the top, but I'll actually unbox everything out of it really quick for you guys right on camera. So I'm not really sure what's in here. I know they're supposed to be sending me some hardware, but I don't know what it actually is. So let me get this out really quick. Oh, there goes that. I don't even know what that is. So, okay, once again, Kingston, you guys are awesome. Thank you for sending me all this. So they gave me some sunglasses. There's that. Branded sunglasses. That's pretty cool. Let's see. They actually put That's so funny. They put Kingston Fury branded glow sticks in here. That's pretty awesome. I mean, they're really cool right now. They're doing this whole rebrand, so they're sending out a lot of swag to get the brand out. So yeah, they can send me stickers. There's a whole bunch of these. If you guys want any of these, let me know in the comments. I'll try to send some of these to you guys if you want. I think they gave me a couple notepads I can stick on the desk. You know, got a new desk. That'll come in handy. And then, what is this? Are these socks? I think they literally just sent me Kingston Fury branded socks. So this will go great with my hat and my hoodie that I already have. So thank you, Kingston. That's awesome. All right, and now on to the main event, what you guys actually want to see. So they sent me, wow, oh wow, they sent me a 2 TB one. Okay, they sent me their Fury Renegade NVMe SSD, and this thing is the PCIe Gen 4, I believe. Yeah, it is. Wow. So this is going to be blazing fast. I actually don't have a Gen 4 NVMe SSD yet. I've only used the Gen 3 ones. So let's see, read and write speed. Oh, 7,300 megabytes a second. Holy crap. Okay. And this is the 2 TB variant. So big shout out to them. And I'll let you know why we got that here in a little bit. And they also sent me, oh, holy crap. They sent me their Renegade RAM as well. There you go. There's a whole kit of their Kingston Fury Renegade RAM. How much did they send me actually? It's the DDR4, it's not DDR5. But what did they, I don't even know what capacity they sent me actually. Okay, so now that I'm looking, this is the 32 GB variant. So they said they actually were gonna send me the 64 gig variant as well. So maybe a future giveaway, I don't know, maybe you're just another build, but that's all that's in that box. So thank you, huge thank you to Kingston. You guys are awesome. And if you guys want some cool product from Kingston, make sure you guys check out their website. Okay, so with that, I basically spoiled what I was going to tell you guys already, but it doesn't matter. I needed to get this out anyway. I'm basically going to be rebuilding my main PC, which is why back there behind me you see that I'm using my Asus Zephyrus G15 as my main PC right now, which, you know, I've used that for the past 7 months, so I'm actually really used to that PC right now. It's amazing, by the way. Just wanted to get that out. Amazing laptop. If you guys can find it, get it. Anyway, so I'm going to be redoing my main build. And I got a lot of things to show you guys real quick that are going to be going into that build because I kind of went all out on it this time. And wait, did I not? Hold on, let me look at my screen real quick. I didn't put the case back there. Hold on a second. Let me get it back there. Okay, so the case you see behind me is actually the Metallic Gear Neo Cube, and this is the white version. So I put up a little poll for you guys on my community section. I do this stuff all the time to try to see what color you guys thought I should get, and it was unanimous. You guys thought I should get the white one. I actually ended up buying both the black variant and the white. Don't worry about it. I'm just gonna send the black one back, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the entire build in that white case back there because it's huge. It looks exactly like the Lian 011 Dynamic, and I think it's just gonna really show off all the parts that I have. And speaking of those, I got a ton of those to show you that are gonna be going into the build. So a lot of it is going to be recycled from my old build, but I actually changed a ton of it. So I'm going to keep probably the CPU. I'm going to keep that. It's still a 3950X. It's going to be awesome. I don't really need to upgrade that at the moment. I believe I'm going to keep my Corsair RAM, but I actually, it's funny that Kingston sent me RAM because I actually ended up buying another 32 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance Pro RGB RAM to go with my 32 I already have. So I was going to upgrade to 64 because Premiere Pro loves a lot of RAM. So I was going to be using this, but I may end up just using the Kingston RAM if they send me that 64 gigabyte kit. So this I bought a while ago and I forgot about it. I just kind of had it sitting there while I was in Maryland. So I have that, and then, so like I said, I'm going to keep that CPU, but something that happened before I ended up leaving was that my motherboard that's in my main build, the X570 Tai Chi board from ASRock that's in there, it actually started making this weird, like, whining, grinding noise. Take a listen. So yeah, I think that's one of the chipset fans that's on it. Apparently, after looking on the internet, this is kind of common. So what I decided to do is pull that motherboard out. We're gonna send that back to ASRock and get it RMA'd. And then in the meantime, I found a really good deal on Amazon on a B550 board right here from MSI. This is the B550 Gaming Plus right there. And I got it for like 120 bucks, which is pretty awesome. So we're gonna just use this board in the meantime because it has what I need to be able to just, you know, all the connectivity I need and everything. So, and it still has the Gen 4 M.2 in it, so we're able to test out that SSD that Kingston sent us, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna use that motherboard for the meantime until I get my X570 back, and then that motherboard will probably go in another build. So a couple accessories that I bought for the build. I'm gonna save the best thing for the build for last because some of you already know this, but accessories. We got a bunch more fans of, I'm buying stock in Corsair again, basically, because just their stuff is available. I couldn't find the other stuff I wanted, so I bought a couple packs of ML120 Pros right here to fill this case, because this case takes like 9 fans, which is nuts. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these maglev fans in there. And with those, we also ended up getting a new CPU cooler. We're gonna go with another 360mm radiator, and we're gonna do with Corsair's new H150i Elite Capellix. So I actually did a build right before I left with one of these, the smaller variant. I think it was the 240 rad probably, but I absolutely love the way the Capellix RGB looks, so I really wanted to get that for my own build because I just think it looks amazing. And in a build like this where it's like basically all glass, it's gonna look awesome. And then along with that, we're gonna go super RGB, just a lot of color in this build. So I thought, what way to do that better than to get the Lian streamer. I don't know how you pronounce it. I thought it was streamer, but apparently other people say it differently. But the Streamer Plus cable extensions. We have the 8-pin, you know, for my graphics card that's coming up. Well, it's actually 2 8-pins, but anyway, you guys will find out in a second. And then I got the 24-pin one too that comes with a fan hub, or not a fan hub, but it comes with a hub so you can connect both of these together. So if you guys are thinking of doing this, take note that actually if you get just the regular 8-pin one, it doesn't come with a hub, so you have to connect it to your motherboard or something like that. But this one, the 24-pin one, does come with a hub, so you can connect multiple of these together, which is pretty cool, I think. So that's going to show off some really cool RGB lighting in the case, which is the whole point. You know, on the camera, I want it to look really nice and pop for you guys in the videos. And then the main event, something that I ended up spending a lot of money on, but I got it at a really good price. And some of you know this already, and this is the RTX 3080 Ti. So, man, I went through a lot to try to get this thing. I was watching those YouTube channels where they have the drops and everything like that. And one day, I happened to just be on one at the right time, and a sale came up on Newegg, and I actually got this for just above MSRP. So I think I paid maybe like $100 above MSRP. I think it was like $1,300. So to me, pretty awesome deal considering where graphics cards are right now. And because I'm going to be playing some very high intensity games, namely Battlefield 2042, I really need the most graphics card power I could possibly get, as well as, you know, editing videos and whatnot like I do on the channel. So this is probably the most expensive and highest end graphics card I've ever bought in my life. So I decided, why not go all out? And that's why I bought the rest of this stuff with it too. So that's pretty much it for the computer build, unless I add something little random in the meantime to try to, you know, spice it up a little bit more. But I think that's pretty much it. But there are a couple things that a couple other companies sent me to that are going to be coming to the channel that I wanted to show you guys real quick. And one of them is these really cool little gaming earbuds that this company XS sent me. So these are like true wireless gaming earbuds, they're called, and they have this really, I don't know if you guys can see this, they look like a little like eyes or a face. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna unbox these on the channel, and I'm gonna, you know, review these for you guys. So I'm gonna see how these turn out. They should be pretty cool. Some of you might have seen already that I got sent. Oh, HyperX actually did this too. They sent me the Quadcast S. So I have this microphone right here too. So I'll probably be reviewing this as well and telling you guys what I think about this. That was a cool little item they sent me while I was gone too. A lot of this stuff, you guys, they tried to send. A lot of companies tried to send this to me while I was gone. And I did my best to try to make videos for them, but I just couldn't. So I ended up keeping all of it. And then some stuff that's really cool for the setup and everything like that to end this. I got these really cool Hex Lights back here. These are from a company, gosh, what are they called? I think it's called Hex Lights, but I can't remember the exact company, but I'll have a whole video on these guys. Those are really cool. They're like touch activated and everything too. And you can make whatever shape you want. I think those look really awesome. And then along with lighting, of course, we had to, you know, go ahead and give some more money to Govee. Govee, if you guys want to sponsor the channel or just send me stuff so I can review it, please. I love your stuff. Just, I mean, anytime you want. My lights all around my desk are Govee, and then I actually spent a bunch of money on all this stuff because I had to have it. Black Friday sales and whatnot. So I ended up getting the Govee Glide wall lights right here. So these things are really cool. These are like those lights that you can make like a cool little, you know, line, and they have the RGB IC lights that just go along. So those are gonna look really cool in the background. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put those. And then the last thing I wanna show you guys is because when my wife was moving when she was moving all my stuff, she ended up breaking my nano leaves. So I gotta probably get like a new, you know, like receptacle for it. Like the main thing that makes the nano leaves work, she broke the little piece off of it, so I gotta get a replacement. So in the meantime, I decided to pick up something else from Govee because I wanted it all to sync together and use, you know, one app and make it easy. I got their new Hex panels to go along with my Hex Lights I have back there. So I think these will actually look really cool since I already have a Hex shaped light over there. I'm probably gonna plan on putting these back there in that corner, as well as I'm gonna probably put a shelf back there too. I think I'm gonna make it like kind of commingled together. And like I said, I had a lot of stuff I still gotta do to this setup. So I think this is gonna be really cool. They all sync together and they all work with one app, like I said. And yeah, honestly, I just wanna really make this setup look awesome so I can make really, really cool, high quality content for you guys. But other than that, you guys, I know that was a lot. I just had a lot to kind of show you guys real quick because a lot of things are gonna be coming in the channel and I got a lot of work to do. So I just wanted to bring you guys this quick video and let you guys know that I am doing things, I am working, and you know, we'll be back pretty soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed checking this out. Let me know in the comments, you know, what you guys thought of my content while I was gone, or you know, what you guys are most hopeful for in the future. And or if you guys want to drop me a comment and just say hello, that'd be awesome too. And then don't forget to like the video. I need to get those analytics up, guys. My channel has kind of gone woo because I haven't been doing this too much, so I got to get it back up there, so I'd really appreciate it. And if you guys somehow found this video by the algorithm and they brought you here and you've never seen one of my videos, consider subscribing. I got a lot of cool stuff to show you guys, so I want to make sure you guys are there for that. So I will see you guys, I guess, in the next video. That's pretty much it. So I'm going to get out of here and pretty much go work on videos. So bye. Oh, one more thing. There's also a gigantic monitor back here that I got sent by BenQ. That'll be a video too. Anyway, love you guys. See ya.